Hey there, my FJ Cruiser cowboys. Another DIY project that I wanted to tell you about. I've been doing a whole bunch of stuff with my FJ, which includes replacing the whole front suspension. And in doing so, as you know, you have to remove the Swaybar. When I did, I stripped out two of the nuts. As you can see, there's one. And I have this great tool, this Riv-Nut tool, that replaces the nut very easily and very inexpensively. So I think you're going to love it. It's a permanent fix. I read a lot on the forums and couldn't really find a good solution. And this one worked out fantastic. So let's dive right in. And here's the other side. See, same situation. On in and Riv-Nut the shit out of it. Just like so. With all your might. And you just unscrew it like this. Oh, that was just... We all know how most things don't go so easy. This one is real easy. And there you have it. And now I will reinstall my Swaybar with new bushings and new tie rods. And there you have it. It's in there, baby. Now we just take this 1 1/4 by 40 millimeter M8 bolt with a 3/8 M10 washer and do like so. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And there you go. And there you have it. And then you have the original bolt, which is right here. It's a little bit thicker, but what are you gonna do? It is definitely a much easier solution than what most people are putting up on the boards. Hey guys, I hope you like this quick fix. I have a ton more videos on my channel that are coming together. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.